we'll see if the tips are. I'm hoping. Ooh, looks like it might have some tip. Oh, yeah, baby! Oh, man! Holy cow, it's all intact. We didn't expect that. Usually the tips are broke off. We got lucky here. It's been so long. It's been actually months. Who knows how many miles? Maybe hundreds. Anyway, perseverance paid off, Rude Dog, and we did it again. Yeah, pound it, baby. Well, we're gonna keep looking. There might be something else, because if not, we find some cobble and some other flakes, so we'll keep looking.